All right, this is Fat Mike's Fat Mike.
Hold on, this
Fucking A.
fire's getting out of hand.
You keep telling me to hold tight. Okay, go ahead, Sam. Talk to the Canadians.
Are we introducing codefendant? Can you tell them what it is or something?
Codefendants, it's a band we're in.
Yeah, you're in it too.
I'm in it too. I'm a co-defendant.
You're liable.
I've done jail. I've had a parental abuse. That time I was pinched. Yeah.
On your cheeks because you're so cute.
No, well, yeah.
So
My mom used to lick my face and clean stuff off.
Jesus Christ. That's
Fucking
Chef
moms.
Boyardee.
Moms.
Those things stick with you.
Moms, you know what I mean?
Moms. Am I right? Dead.
Angels.
Sometimes you gotta kill them. Talk to me.
What is it they want after years of worshipping flaws? Romanticize scumbags, now they're expected to be demigods. As heroes are human, and humans can be trash. That includes us singing, we're not immune. We're not immune.
Held my wife's hand in a graveyard in Salem, counting skulls on headstones, so unaware the love that would seem unbreakable then would just become a scar from some time last year. And I'm sorry that you pushed it away. I'm sorry that you could never change. Never seen a picture of my dad till I met him in a Texas cancer ward, laying there scared and alone. My new older brother and the sympathy that I mustered wheeled him out the front door to die with his family at home. Well,
Heroes are human, and humans can be trash. That includes you listening. We're not immune. We're not immune. We're not immune. We're not amused. Our hearts are such dicks that have fucked so much in their path. We can't expect to erase it. We can't expect people to forgive our past. It's brutal and beautiful. To some it's art, to some it's shit. It's brutal and beautiful. We're not immune. We're not amused. We're not amused. We're not amused.
I had this song called Restless. I had breast cancer and it was hella scary and I didn't know what to do. Mike calls me and he goes, "Hey, I'm sorry, friend, but maybe you call this song Breastless." And I was like, and then he goes, "Sorry." And I said, "No, because if I do that the right way, that could actually, bring some light to women who are afraid to like face the shit in their lives."
Yeah,
and
breast
that
cancer killed my mom. Fuck breast cancer.
fuck breast cancer. I'm sorry to hear that, Russ. I really am. So this song's called Breastless. It's a bad cop song. I'm gonna do my very, very best. Lights with the color and the sound, and this time it wants to take me out. Who knew a diagnosis would carry such neurosis and broken all my biggest doubts? Yeah, I am down. I'm feeling restless, a little reckless, amid so much uncertainty and the possibility of being restless, leaving me breathless. But there's gotta be validity in the pieces of my chest. I'm feeling restless. Emotions been taken out of me. Shame, fear, guilt, humility. Oh, I've never been so much a woman. Not feminine, been threatened with losing life and liberty. What an agree! I'm feeling looking people in the face.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I'm feeling restless, a little reckless, amid so much uncertainty, and no one should ever have to be embarrassed of being restless. There's gotta be validity amid the pieces on my chest. I'm feeling restless amid so much uncertainty and the possibility of being restless. Well, I'm living with avidity. This is now a certain death. I'm feeling restless. I'm feeling breathless. Well, I'm feeling restless. All right, thanks guys. Thanks for having me.
So this song is called Song Song. It's a terrible name for this song, but it is. All right, here we go. Bar songs, clink songs, man right on the brink songs, songs that make you think songs, that say your girlfriend stink songs while I've got you here. What do you want to hear? Smile songs, cry songs, I'm moving a lie songs, songs that ain't too long songs, but you know every single word to, so you can sing along. Songs to remind you should love your life, your job, your wife, songs that call out the broken heart, songs so damn loud the heavens part. Yeah, that's my favorite part. Songs written down to say it's gonna be okay, even on a rainy day, or when your best friend goes away. Drug songs, dance songs, hard to comprehend songs, songs without a plan, songs about taking a stand, songs while I've got you here. What do you want to hear? Love songs, hate songs, songs soaked in cigarette regrets, ill-placed bets and unpaid debts, played in attempts to resurrect faded feelings, and we forget songs to remind you you should love your life. Quit being afraid, be like that music that you play with your guitar or in your car. Songs can't tell you who you are, but they feel so real, and I just can't get enough. Where would we be without the songs that we love? So while I've got you here, what do you want to hear? So while I've got your ear, what do you want to hear?
Yeah. Awesome.
Thank you.
Good do-over. Good mulligan.
This song is about when my dad died.
Tell the
Song-
story.
Huh?
Yeah, sing it. Tell what happened.
Okay. Right now?
Yeah, this is
Tell him or
this
just
is
sing it?
he killed in the studio. It's the most heartfelt song I ever recorded. You were crying.
This song made me sick singing it. Writing it was too much for me. I got home late that night and I saw the ambulance driving my daddy away. So I turned around to follow round every red, 'cause I wasn't sure if he was alive or was dead. When I got to the ER, said please take me back, I want a few cigarettes and a snort of some scotch. And I told him I couldn't, and I knew that I wouldn't, 'cause he'd probably just die in my car. Take me home, take me home. I don't wanna die in this hospital. Don't leave me here, son, don't leave me alone. Please take me home. Well, it seemed like the whole room was stuck in slow motion as I ran around the room frantically, till I sat down beside him. In spite of his condition, he told me he was so proud of me. I had to leave the room, so I told him that I was going to buy some playing cards. He needed something to take his mind off of the pain. But that was just a cop-out. How could I just walk out? I left him when he needed me the most. Take me home, son, take me home. I don't wanna die in this hospital. Don't leave me here, son, don't leave me alone. Please take me home. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know how to deal with death. He was out there inside, well, I was outside smoking meth. But it was me who couldn't take it. I couldn't stay alone and fake it. How could I just leave a man who was so much to me? Hope someday I can forgive myself for doing something so cowardly. I knew I was wrong. I knew I took too long. Now all I have is regret and another sad country song. Take me home, son, take me home. Well, I don't wanna die in this hospital. Don't leave me here, son, don't leave me alone. Please take me home. Take me home, take me home. Well, I don't wanna die in this hospital. Don't leave me here, son, don't leave me alone. No, no, please take me home. Thank you.
You have a deep soul and a good heart, goddammit.
And a big butthole.
Your butthole's big.
Hey, so, just so y'all know, I invited y'all here because you're all wonderful songwriters and y'all sing from the heart. That's why you're all here.